How to bulk delete Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to start fresh on your Instagram account and delete all your posts in just one click, follow these steps. I'll show you how to bulk delete multiple Instagram posts at once. This trick works on both iPhone and Android devices. First, make sure your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. Then open it and go to your Instagram profile. Tap on three horizontal lines at the top right corner and select your activity from the menu. Find the content you shared section and tap on post to open another page where you can see all your Instagram posts. To delete all your posts at once, tap on the select button at the top right corner of the screen and choose all the posts you want to delete. After selecting them, you'll have the option to either archive the post, hiding them from your profile but accessible to you, or delete them completely. If you want to delete them permanently, tap the delete button and confirm your decision. After this step, your Instagram profile will be fresh and clean without any post. That's it for the video. This is how you can bulk delete Instagram posts. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thanks for watching.